Now, your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And good evening, I'm meteorologist Steve Norris. Hope you've had a great week so far. Today, of course, Friday, and a cloudy day, a day that we've had a little bit of drizzle, some light rain around the area, and we are still seeing that right now. But when it's all added up, we didn't get a whole lot. In fact, you can see at the International Airport, we picked up just 0.04 of an inch of rainfall. Look at the temperature. High temperature so far, just 75. Another unseasonably cool day. 10 degrees below the normal or average high, which is now running right at 85 degrees. Doesn't feel much like June out there, does it? As we head through the evening hours, 76 degrees at 7 o'clock, maybe a sprinkle or two for the next 2 or 3 hours. 9 o'clock, 73 degrees, and we'll be in the upper 60s by 11 o'clock. Tomorrow, as we head through your Saturday, 67 at 8 o'clock in the morning, 79 at noon. Much warmer in the afternoon. Will be in the low to mid 80s, and there's a slight chance of a spotty shower or storm, but that would be about it. Here's a look at Live Doppler 2 right now, and as we look at Live Doppler 2 HD, just a couple of very spotty sprinkles and showers over the northern part, for the most part, of the Miami Valley. All of this rotating around that area of low pressure, which is way off to our south at this time yesterday. Now it's to our northeast, so we're getting a little bit of wraparound moisture on the backside of that area of low pressure. But our attention is now focused what's out to the west. A very strong area of low pressure, a trailing cold front out over the northern Rockies, already triggering, look at that, 1, 2, 3 tornado warnings to the west and northwest of Casper. It's this system that will impact us here in the Miami Valley as we head into the second half of the weekend. I'm talking about Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. There are increasing concerns for some strong to severe thunderstorms, and I do think we have the potential to see strong winds, large hail, and even some tornadoes. That main threat window will be on Sunday between 4 and 9 o'clock, and the Storm Prediction Center has already placed a good chunk of the Midwest, in fact, under a slight risk. That would be a 2 on a 1 to 5 scale, although I wouldn't be surprised if this goes up to maybe a 3 or even a 4 between now and then. But notice it includes areas of Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, much of Kentucky, and then as we zoom in here to the Miami Valley, roughly the southern 2/3 of the Miami Valley under that slight risk, a marginal risk over our northernmost counties. But again, I do expect that to change between now and Sunday. So let's start right off on Sunday morning. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning. I think we may get a round of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms Sunday morning. The big question will be, do we get some clearing? And this particular model says, yes, we'll get some clearing midday, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, which is not a good thing. That will allow the atmosphere to destabilize before the main show gets here, and that will be in that 4 to 9 o'clock window. There's 5 o'clock, here's 7 o'clock. These are going to be strong, maybe severe thunderstorms, and then it all starts to move out by, say, 9 o'clock on Sunday evening. Here's a look at our Jeff Schmidt Auto Group camera. A little bit of blue sky out there. That looks kind of nice. Current conditions at the International Airport, we're at 75 degrees. A breeze out of the west, the northwest at 6. It's a little bit on the sticky side, but as you can see here on the wider map, everybody's seeing temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Tonight, dropping down to 64. Some evening sprinkles, otherwise mostly cloudy. And then tomorrow on your Saturday, partly sunny, much warmer with that high of 84. Could see a spotty shower in the afternoon, but only about a 30% chance of seeing that. But a good chance of showers and storms on Sunday. We'll be watching closely Sunday afternoon and evening. Rain, thunderstorms on Monday, beginning to taper off early Tuesday.